Hello everybody, welcome. Uh, Today we are going to take a look in the update for XDCE, as a lot of people were asking me about it. And well, I hope you guys are doing well, having a great day or a great night. And first things first, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe with your friends. And let's jump into the charts. Okay, let's go. Since my last update, let's jump into the 4 hours. We talked about this scenario here. That was the one people were asking for. Uh, okay, so let's start here. Just 1 second. Back in the day, I said that a move down and then a straight move above the 50 before double break. Okay, this would be the best scenario for bullish continuation. But the problem is this line here, it's like based on FOMO, okay? Because people keep buying non-stop, and then the bears, they don't have to worry here, okay? Because we were still trading below the resistance, okay? So this is a key resistance, and the proper level here, if I'm not wrong, just a second. Hold your heads. Okay, so this is the key level. Okay, also, well, okay, so let's go. I was going to say something that I can't say, sorry. Um, and so the thing here is we had the first rejection, which was expected, and then we had this indecision candle right here that was a weakness candle, and then we end up rejected multiple times. Okay, uh, and like I said, the bears, they had nothing to worry here. Okay, because even if we pierce this level, it will still be bearish. Okay, following the whole pattern here. And I also saw some kids making copycats from my previous analysis, making draws like this. Okay, so it's something that looks like will never end. Okay, so this would be the prime scenario that will be looking for. And like I told you, this was based on FOMO, which means there is no technical behavior, okay? And we know how bad this is. It's something like this guy here. And some people saw this as a ascending triangle, which is also not bullish as well, okay? And all those movies here, people trying to buy the way back, they are it's the mindset's like this: I know it's going up, but I want to buy as cheap as possible. Okay, so that's the kind of thing. Buy low, sell high, but that's not so easy. That's not how it works. Um, and again, they kept buying below it with a special price, and then here again with multiple indecision candles, but the bear is still in control. And now we are making this this is a corrective move, okay, where all those people who are late, and I still believing we are going to have a straight bull break here, they are buying at this level right now. And like I said back in the day, the smart money don't buy or long resistance levels. What they do, they buy long support levels. Okay, so for another example, what we needed here was a move above the previous one. Okay, this is not about support and resistance. Okay, it's a different thing, because as you guys can see, the volume was fading, which was great news, but we had no follow through from the bulls, okay, which should be something like this: bullish spike and then it fade, bullish spike and then it fade, bullish spike, fade before the bull break. And so we had no follow through, which is bad news, okay. And every time people see green candles here, they will feel FOMO and they will buy again, okay. And so this structure here, just a second. So the whole structure from bullish, it's turned bearish, okay, because we still have unbreached key level. We had a new low compared with the previous one. These guys here won't be accurate if we had a new low compared with this one here, which would be bullish, okay. And another way for you guys to have a better understanding of how this structure was playing out. So we had the high, and then we had the low, and then a lower high. And so the idea here for a tightening pattern, the idea was to easy the bears before the bull break, okay, because by the same way people feel FOMO when it starts to go up, the bears also feel FOMO when it starts to go down. Can you guys see? In the first sign, just a second. So in the first sign of weakness here, they started to jump in and sell. They also feel FOMO. It works for both sides, okay? Because the ones who bought here, expecting to sell here and didn't sold, what they have to do? They have to rush to cover their losses, okay. And for example, if we dip it here and make a lower high compared with this one here, what they will do? They will buy at this level and get ready to sell again. That's how they fill their bags, okay. That's how the smart bears play out. So for now, we don't have anything special, okay. This structure here is not the best one for trade. There is nothing clear here. We lost the prime setup. And what we can do, if we go to the weekly, now we end up with this big indecision candle. It's not bearish yet, but as you guys can see, we are still trading below the previous rejection and below the key level, which is bearish, okay. So it's like a 50-50% scenario. And let's take a closer look on the daily. Okay, so on the daily, it's not all that bad, okay. It would be nice if the bulls let go the FOMO and wait for another low, okay, or let the bears make another low compared with this one here, and then maybe keep looking for a continuation, because the bears won't let it go this level here, okay. This is the last bastion they have for now. And so the next chance here is to develop another ascending triangle, okay. Failed in the first, chase for the second one, because as you guys can see, the range for the bears to fill their bags will be even lower, and they will keep selling to the point they will have no more firepower to keep selling. That's when the bull break will happen, if this scenario plays out. Let's take a quick look in shorter time frames. Okay, so again we have this is actually people trading support resistance. Just a second. Okay, as you guys can see, ending up rejected at this level because it look like young bears, okay, because they are trying to keep selling in the previous level. Okay, that's not a smart move. It's risky. And this is another ascending triangle, which is not amazing for bullish continuation. Okay, so let's see. Let's take a look on the lower time frame. As you guys can see here, I okay, I believe it's clear. All those red candles here with full body are power candles. Okay, and it's not the best idea in the world to try to beat a power candle. Okay, as you guys can see here, the bulls tried to print a continuation and lost. They had a bear break, and then right after they still chasing the trade. And ascending patterns are always bearish. Okay, so just a second. Yeah, so not the best scenario for the bulls. Let's take a quick look in the 15. Okay, we also had a lot of bot activity here, and let me see. So the range for those trades, 44 and 43. Okay, so the thing here is we have smart bots trading the whole picture here, and as you guys can see, for each high, right after we end with a low. Okay, there is a range here for gains, also for the bulls and also for the bears, and without a proper strong move up or down, the bots will keep trading like this because they are making a lot of profits. As you guys can see, it's from 0044 to around 0043. Okay, so for big bags using bots, I'm not saying it's wise and smart to use bots. Okay, pro traders don't use such things. But as you guys can see, they are still able to make profits in these scenarios right here. Okay, but they need a lot of coins to make such gains. So again, guys, this is not bullish in my opinion. It is true that a bull break still can happen, but it's not the best scenario for smart bulls. Okay. So I believe I covered everything for this update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me take a quick look in the chat. Just a second. Nick, my man, Houston, it's Benz. Hello, my brother. Mid 20, yo, how are you doing? Nick, what's up? Hello, Nick. Nick, yeah, la, mid 20 doomer. I don't think I want to say. Tell me I am tell. So we need to stop buying and let the bears clear it out. Well, that's the plan. That's the idea to follow along. To ease off the bears before we end up with bullish continuation. Okay, because if people keep buying at a resistance level, the bears will keep selling at the same level. So nothing will change. Confirming you would recommend getting out of your trade for now. No, this is not financial advice. This is not a trade advice. You guys know the drill. What I'm telling you, it's how the markets behave, how we do bear breaks and bull breaks. Okay, so what's happening? It's not bullish. Okay. Thank you for information from your side. You are very welcome, Jace. So guys, I believe I covered everything for now. If something changes, I will update. Okay. Uh, thank you again, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, and stay safe. I will see you guys soon. Thank you.